Working hard, feel the heat, hearts beating, dripping sweat, moving feet, heavy breathing. See the prize, taste the win, just believe in. Get on, get on, get on, and feel the victory. 'Cause you're in it to win it, and you want to succeed. You got the heart of a champion. Won't stop till the battle's won. You got the heart of a champion, and you've just begun. Gonna fight, throw your hands in the sky. Gonna lay it all on the line. You got the heart of a champion, and you've just begun.
It was a long race. Sometimes it seems like we're making very little progress whatsoever to the finish and making very little gains to the leaders. And yeah, we just had to be patient, stick with them, and then wait for our move. Finally, there was a wind opportunity that made us be able to go north and make some gains, and we popped out in front.
I don't think I could have asked any more of the team. I think they were excellent. I think it was just not our time to get the yellow one this time. But you know what, with the consistency that we've shown, I think it's only a matter of time. It was night time, and there's a lot of debris off of the coast of Papua New Guinea. One of my watch leaders came down and said that she felt that we'd hit some debris on 3 times. It definitely felt really strange. Anyway, the next day I looked out at the rudder in the daylight when we were heeled over, and I saw that there was some damage on the outside, so I assumed we'd hit something. But upon further inspection later, when I dove on it, it turned out that it was actually a big shark bite. It's actually visible on the rudder down there, and we pulled some teeth out of the rudder as well.
Fantastically tactical race, very, very challenging tactically, very challenging with weather, but yeah, worked out as we wanted it to in the end. Yeah, could have been 40 seconds better and won the race, but we're still pretty happy with the second place in it.